Today, we will take a look. Furniture upholstery from a multi-talented guy. Chinese banana. The price of a banana is not cheap, which means that it is logical to repair it. After all, this is a completely unique chair of its kind. Oh well, this is what we have. Let's try to restore beauty. Okay. And this is Max. I'm ready for voice acting. After all, PLADESOV works. I see that something is wrong here. Oh, it looks like all the insides of the stuffing are coming out. But don't worry, this can be fixed. Well, Chinese. The metal frame is made with large errors. One side is 7 centimeters and the other is 5.5 centimeters. And this happens on all 4 sides of the frame. PLADESOV makes its own banana pattern, since the original cover is very stretched and is not suitable for an accurate pattern. We got this white sausage that looked like a hot dog. PLADESOV will create individual parts of the pattern for later work. So, this is what happened in the end. Exact patterns. Next, the results obtained will be transferred to eco leather. We have 3 meters of eco leather.
Hello, welcome to Use Jack Sewing Machine. Wish you a happy work.
PLADESOV will use a walking foot sewing machine. But you can also use a lock stitch sewing machine.
Speed up. Stitch length increase. Stitch length increase.
Of course, this is a short video and is not intended to be educational. So, what is next? Let's continue. Let's wrap a centimeter layer of foam rubber around our old foam rubber. And you will need a very good stapler for this work. Then we will definitely wrap everything in synthetic padding. Of course, many people don't do this, but this is only in cases where temperature treatment with steam or a hairdryer is necessary. Our eco leather case is ready, and now you need to pull it onto the banana. More precisely, there are 2 bananas and 2 covers. By the way, Baltic foam rubber was used. This is compressed foam rubber. Banana accessories or shoots or ponytails. Valera works, and I'm talking about his work. After all, blah 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 chatter distracts you from work. Valera, or more precisely, PLADESOV. You will need a very long needle for upholstery. And here is such a needle, 30 centimeters long. Everything is very securely fastened with a very thick thread. Bananas. Bananas on bananas. I love bananas. We can't do it without heavy equipment. This is a screwdriver, also known as a drill, the final part of the assembly of the Chinese bananas. Assembling something is always more difficult than disassembling something, and this is a fact. Here you are. The job is done, and the exclusive banana from China has found its new life for at least another 7 years. The work is completed, and you can relax on the banana rocking chair. Thank you for watching.